Yeah, thanks for having me here. And my name is Vijendra. I'm the co-founder, MD and CTO at Accops. And we are a company which is helping organizations to, secure their remote work infrastructure, right? And we provide multiple technology solutions on that. We are a company which is based in India and with 800 plus customers across India, Middle East, Japan. We are a company which is focused on this region. So, see, our approach to market like Middle East, has been always to look for partners who are like very focused on certain technology domains, because our products are not, general, box products, right? So these are solutions, which need a lot of consultative approach. So we look for partners who have very specific skills, in cybersecurity, in virtualization, and they also provide services to their customers, right? So there we found Texela to be a right partner, and Texela has got immense amount of experience, in security, virtualization domains, and so they will go and actually do the complete end-to-end selling for us, right?
Texela.
So, yeah, Texela, right? So that's our kind of approach, and that's where the partnership is working out very well. And yeah, so I've come to JISEC before as well, and we have been in Middle East market for almost 4 years now, right? So I think we did every JISEC, right? We see the response has been increasing, so I remember the first JISEC, it was not that great, from customer interactions perspective, right? Very few customers. But I think what I get from the team is that, okay, the number of customers are increasing, interactions are better, there are more innovative partners also coming in. So when we come to JISEC, we'll look for two things. One is to have interactions with our key partners like Texela and helping them to have those kind of engaging conversations with their customers. At the same time, we also look for other partners as well who are more innovative partners in this domain. So like I said, that our solutions are into remote workspace, right? So we enable organizations to create this work from anywhere infrastructure, right? And for that we have got two main technologies, right? First is a VDI product, which basically enables organizations to virtualize their applications and desktop environment and deliver it from the data center, right? So there, we do complete VDI automation, orchestration, management, of that. The second solution is a ZTNA-based remote access gateway, right? Because when users are working from home, they are over internet, and you need a transactional security, you need secure login into the environment.
Yeah.
So there, we do a ZTNA, based gateway solution. Third is because identity is also an important part of this whole work from anywhere infrastructure. So we do a comprehensive multi-factor authentication and SSO solution, which is now transforming into a complete IAM solution as well. The fourth thing that we do is the endpoint devices itself, the hardware which the end users will need, because they have to connect their monitor, keyboard, mouse, or a thin laptop, right? So we do the endpoint hardware devices as well, right? So the solutions are designed for organizations to secure their data, right? Organizations are always worried about that, okay, how their data is being used by the end users, right? When especially people are working from home, or these are vendors who get access to the enterprise data, companies have to make sure that the data is protected. Now, the moment the data travels from the data center to the end user machines, it is prone to leakage, and that's what we prevent by having a solution like VDI. VDI is like a perfect tool to make sure that the data always remains with the enterprise. So users get like a read-only view to the data, right? But data always remains within the data center, right?
Okay.
So that is one of the key solution, for data protection. From our ZTNA gateway perspective, also we have our USP there, right? There are a lot of players in ZTNA access gateway, right? So there are modern, SASE solutions, there are legacy VPN solutions, but everybody focuses on connectivity, whereas we focus on connectivity plus the data security on the end user machine, right? So we provide a lot of features around data encryption on the fly, restricting users from doing copy paste, print screen, DLP kind of functionality on the end user devices as well. So right, so we provide best of both the worlds, right? So either you keep the data in your data center, but if for whatever reason, for whatever use case, the data travels to the end user machine, there also we provide on-demand data leakage prevention solutions. Right, so see, we are a vendor who is focused on this market. That's one of the key things right now, because what is happening today, because of the several M&A that are happening, a lot of large technology providers are getting acquired, and because of that, there is a lot of flux, in this market, and the customers are very concerned that, okay, if they invest with a vendor, what will happen tomorrow, right? So that one thing that we can assure is that, one, we are very focused on India, Middle East and Japan market, right? These are our key markets, right? Plus from a vendor stability perspective also, we are already part of a large telecom group, right? So till last year we were a bootstrapped organization, and we were also like a risky vendor, right? But last year, we became part of Reliance Jio Group, right? So now, because of that, customers can be assured that we are a company, we are a vendor who is not going anywhere, right? So one, vendor stability. Second, we are a company which has built all of the solution in-house, right? And we are growing our solution stack. So our vision is that for remote work, we should be able to provide all the technologies together in one integrated solution. Right. So they get a simple integrated solution. Third is getting them the price benefit, right? Because if you have to deploy 4 different solutions from 4 companies, your overall cost of the software, your cost of skill sets, support issues, all that is high cost environment for them. Because of our integrated solution approach, that cost reduction will happen for the customer. So we will enable customers to reduce their overall TCO as well.